Wow. Yes. Welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome you guys. Thank you so much for watching our channel. This is Hair by Clippers. It's the home of creativity. We do need like expected. So this time around, I'm gonna show you this amazing video that everyone have been asking me how to do it and what do I use, how long does it stay, and how do they unlock it. So this time around, I'm going to take you through this video and you see how to unlock the extended dreadlocks. But before we go further, let's first do this. Wow, welcome back from that. So we plaited this hairstyle, it was in Feb, and now this is August. So if you try to count, I think you can tell me how many months are those. So now she decided to unlock the dreadlocks, so that she wanted to do a retouch to relax her hair. And this is what I've been telling you, that when you do the extended dreadlocks, trust me, just know that your hair is protected, and anytime you want to unlock them, you will be able to unlock it, as I'm going to be showing you in the video right here. So as we're going to start all this, I want you to watch this video very careful, and please, if you have any question about that, please go right now in my comment section, tell me what you think, and maybe other questions that you want to ask about this hairstyle, or even other types of hairstyles, so that be there to answer all those questions. So let's go right now in the video, because I don't have a lot to say about it, but just look at it yourself.
Ooh, 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 yeah. I don't know what they did, but you look so beautiful. Mubitabe byange wasomye, otunulanga Miss Independent. Your hair so perfect, looks like it was made straight out of heaven. Yeah, oli malaika from head to your toes, bakukozeko oli kiso. Eyo gy'ovudde bamanyi kye bakola, bakole biriko. Hair by Clippers, yeah. Hair by Clippers, balling it like expected. Hair by Clippers, yeah. Hair by Clippers, balling it like expected, neat like expected. Whoa, oh, oh, yeah. Oh, na 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 na. Hey, by Clippers, hey, by Clippers, Bakabi. Hey, by Clippers, hey, by Clippers, Bakabi. By Clippers, hey, by Clippers, by Clippers, hey, by Clippers. Abalala bakopa, we say we trend abalala baiya. Oh na 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 na. Tuli bakugu mu byembiri abalala bakopa, we say we trend abalala baiya. Oh na na. Tumanyi beauty, twakuguka mu beauty. Gwe, tumanyi beauty, tumanyi beauty. Gwe, hey, by Clippers, hey, by Clippers, Bakabi. Hey, by Clippers, hey, by Clippers, Bakabi. By Clippers, hey, by Clippers, by Clippers, hey, by Clippers. Hair by Clippers Salon.
now, everyone, you have now proved that eccentric dreadlocks can be unlocked. And then this is what I also wanted to prove you to those ones who have been commenting in my videos, telling me that maybe those, like, I've been telling you lies that dreadlocks cannot be ablated. I think you have proved it yourself. So next time you're gonna trust me when I say something. So let me sign out because this is what I got for you. But please don't forget to subscribe on this channel because every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, we need to learn something. So my name is Morris, the Coach Master, and I'm gonna sign out. May God bless you, and I love you so much.